my name is Dylan O'Connor and I'm doing Bachelor of Engineering with Mechanical and Manufacturing. Well, I was always interested in working with my hands and I'm more proficient with doing handcraft. So design engineering is fantastic. It's giving a brilliant baseline for CAD, so drawing stuff on computers and extruding them and bringing them into real life functionality, because in the same course we're doing projects as well as prototyping, which is unbelievable compared to what I've done beforehand. It teaches you so much about how things are going to be implemented once you're in the working world and how to adapt and overcome with issues and keep making different iterations till you get it just bang on. The lectures, they're fantastic altogether. They're really relatable to what you're doing and they're easy to talk to. They tell you exactly what you need to know. As well as that, you're able to have great crack with them. There's no dull moments in the classroom really, it's always good fun. And if you ever have an issue, they're so easy to go to, it's unbelievable. I chose engineering at MTU because it's so technologically advanced.